I'm Lisa Shanken, creator of the proven Kill the Diet weight loss system. You can lose weight permanently without pills, guilt, or depriving yourself. Spring is traditionally a time of new beginnings. It's a great time of year to cleanse and detoxify your body and prepare for the warmer weather ahead. But for some people, with early spring comes awful seasonal allergies. Unfortunately, so many of us suffer with seasonal allergies. Starts about early March and it goes until the flowers and trees are in full bloom around late May. Many of my clients have already been telling me they feel their symptoms coming on. So I've been doing a lot of research lately to see how we can naturally alleviate the suffering through diet and exercise from these seasonal allergies. If you suffer like this, here's what I recommend. Start by immediately adding the following foods to your diet. Dark leafy greens like kale, bok choy, dandelion greens, and collard greens. You eat vegetables with a lot of carotenoids. You'll know this by their deep yellow and orange colors, like carrots and peppers have. Use foods that are like natural antibiotics and natural antifungals, including onions, garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper, and horseradish root. Add raw apple cider vinegar to your salads, vegetables, or even just take by the teaspoon to reduce mucus production. Eat fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, and drinking kombucha to increase the healthy bacteria in your gut lining and prevent allergies and mucus. Foods that are high in vitamin C like berries, broccoli, and lemons enhance the action of bioflavonoids that act as natural antihistamines in the body. You can also take a bioflavonoid supplement like quercetin. You can try dried nettles and steep them to make tea, or you can purchase nettle capsules. Nettles also act as a natural antihistamine. Try also taking a supplement called reishi mushroom. This one I find to be a miracle worker. It acts as a natural antihistamine and an immune booster. Always with any supplements, check with your doctor before starting anything new. You should also avoid the following foods: dairy products, which can increase your phlegm and congestion; processed foods, especially those containing chemical food colors; milk chocolate, red meat, refined sugars, citrus, not including lemons because of their acidity; wheat, which can be inflammatory due to its high gluten content. And so, if you suffer from seasonal allergies, get a head start on beating that stuffy head feeling, try these suggestions. Leave me your comments or questions below to let me know if you've been having success with them. Or I also love to hear any tips you know that work. I'm Lisa Shanken, wishing you a happy, healthy, allergy-free day.